And yeah, I still have one more of this, so if the other one get busted, I still have extra. So I think this one will fit for Continental GD Interceptor. I'm not sure about Leave It Older Super Meteor. As long as you have this kind of like headlights, the circle one, I think they're all the same. If it's all the same, 9003 or H4, they're all the same with this, because there are double filament right here. The style, so this one with the 3 pins right here. There you go. These are the strongest one, and then I'm gonna drive this motorcycle later at night to see how strong they are. Okay, so you can use my coupon codes or Kisa Garage for 15% off to their website. This usually for the car. I just happen to know that 9003 using for Royal Enfield, so I tried this one, and this brand Auxito, they sent me this one for the review, and they're the sponsor for this video. Thank you so much, and I really big thanks to them and big shout out to them. Okay, I'm gonna drive my motorcycle later to see how strong they are. Alright, I'll see you again for the next video. Okay, so I'm about to install the LED light bulbs for this Royal Enfield. I'm gonna show you what. So this is what it looks like. Just the OE halogen light bulbs. Okay, one more time. That's what it looks like. And then these are the high beam. Okay, I'm gonna install the LED now. So basically there's like 2 screw, one here and then another here, that holding this headlights right here. So there's only 2, and then 9003 light bulbs. That's it. I'm gonna take it out. Get out that screw. Wow, and you know this is a long screwdriver. Okay, that one right here. And then there's another one on this side. Okay, then there's a connector, then this for the LED. Okay, so take out that cover. And then get my LED. So you can use my coupon codes or Kisa Garage. You get 15% off to their website. And I think these are the highest, the brightest one, because you have the ballast right here. Another LED just like this, and then the connector. And then let's see. I think it had to be specific location like this. Front view is more 9 o'clock. It had to be straight. Had to be straight like this, so you get more of the view. Let's see if I can do that. Let's see. So it comes like this. Let me see if I can do that. Okay. Let's see. Let's see this one first. Oh, okay. Alright. I think because the LED is a little bit bigger, so. Let me make sure I can hold this one. That. Hold it. Or let me get the long nose screwdriver. Long nose. I got the long nose. We can get like this one. Okay, I got one. If I can get one, it's fine. If I can't get the other ones, okay. Okay, I got both of them. So right here, and then this is your cooling fan. I want to see. So this one is straight, right? Okay, and I have to clean the glass, and then get, hopefully it will fit from here. If not, it's gonna be a problem because I have to be like this, unless I have to make another bigger hole. Yeah, I have to make a bigger hole, so I have to, you know, cut this one. I have to cut something here so it will fit. I mean, I can get this one at Royal Enfield. I can just order the new one. They're just too thick. I just don't want it to put without the thing, so. Okay. Because it's too big, so it can fit. Just to make sure, because the OE, it just like seal this one so it doesn't get, you know, wet or something. Okay. At least I got some cover, you know. Better than nothing. Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, so I got this big, and then cut this one. And then these are the ballasts for the LED, and then see how big they are. Perfect. Yeah, it's right here. Still covered most of it. So, gonna connect this one. Okay. Let's see. that. There you go. There you got it. I think because this is too big, that's why. And then the connector is on the way. That's why. That's weird. So basically you just like center everything, all the wirings. Flashlight. So from here, so center everything from here, just like that, and then push it out. Okay, and then I'm not gonna worry about the cooling fan later because I have extra. So push it everything as one. Oh, I see. I have to get this one first. Okay. Now, push it. There you go. Push that. Okay. I have to push it really hard. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and ready to install. High beam, passing. Really good. I think it's more stronger. compare from here. It's really bright, very, very bright. And then you can hear the cooling fan. So that's what it looks like. See that? High beam passing. Okay. And here you go, what it looks like. Looks like a regular, but you're not gonna notice because it's a skinny one right here. And I think it looks good. See how bright they are. See that? Very bright. And then we'll go with a high beam passing. Yeah, there you go. Alright guys, so it's really dark here at Treasure Island, as you can see. So this is the darkest place I can find. So I already installed the Auxito or something.